Hey gang, here today to tell you about the iGeek solar security camera. And we all know that security cameras can be awesome until you have to run wires and be near an outlet, or even worse, having to run an ugly extension cord across the ground to get to an outlet. This security camera is designed to solve that problem by running on a rechargeable battery and solar panel. That way, it can stay powered day and night. The iGeek security camera uses always-on video technology to record continuously, even in low power mode. And then it switches to full recording when motion is detected. The 360-degree pan and tilt design helps cover large areas like a yard or driveway or front door without blind spots. And smart auto tracking follows movement and sends alerts to your phone when motion is detected. This camera records in 2K video and has color night vision with built-in lights that turn on when motion's detected. You can also talk through the camera, so if you see a stranger outside, you can let them know that they're not supposed to be here. It's also great for letting you know when you have deliveries or for checking in when you're away from home. And the iGeek has local storage options. There's no required subscription, so you're not locked into any kind of monthly fees. This is a simple way to add security and peace of mind without running wires and hiring an installer. Initially, you're going to want to charge the camera when you receive it. So they give you this USB to USB-C adapter. All you do is plug it right here into the front of the camera. And this, by the way, is the same place that you'll plug in your solar panel when the time comes. Underneath the camera here is where the business takes place. This is where your power button and your reset button are. Pairing it with your Wi-Fi is simple, and all the instructions you need are right here in this user manual. It literally took me 1 minute to get this talking to the app on my phone. The app is called iGeek Cam. Download it. Scan the QR code on the side of the iGeek camera. It immediately recognizes the device and you can begin pairing it with your Wi-Fi. Underneath your power button and your reset button is where you'll put an SD card. This is where it will record and hold all of your motion sensing videos. Great when you need to go back and look at something to make sure something didn't go wrong. And as you've seen while I've been talking, installation really isn't that hard. Here's a little secret. If I can install it, you can install it.